mPharma is a company that is changing the narrative on healthcare in Africa. My name is Edith Akati. I'm the Global Head of E-commerce at mPharma. Our goal, our mission is very, very simple. We want an Africa in good health. mPharma was started to address the accessibility, affordability, and quality gap we have in African healthcare. At the moment, we have over 140,000 patients on our MUTI program, and 72% of these patients have reported that since joining MUTI, they actually have been able to access their medications at a much lower and more affordable rate, which is top priority to us. In 2019, when COVID began, it was a very tough time for our business, just like any other business. One of the important things that we did was to help set up the very first private testing facilities in Ghana and Nigeria. And with that, we helped expand the testing infrastructure in these countries. One of the most exciting things that we are launching this year is our online healthcare platform, our e-commerce product. And essentially, we are breaking even further the barriers to accessing healthcare. In launching our e-commerce business, one of our key considerations was getting a reliable and dependable payment partner in Africa. That's how we found Paystack. The most memorable thing about working with Paystack was the fact that we were able to integrate in a day. To us, that was very, very important because we were running with a very tight deadline, very tight timeline. And the mere fact that we're able to integrate within a day without any extensive support from Paystack was a winning point for us. In choosing Paystack as well, we realized that Paystack transaction fees were much better, much more competitive than other partners out there, and just the extent of coverage for us, because our business is not just across a few countries, but it spans multiple countries in Africa. Paystack essentially provides an API which allows businesses with their own proprietary software products like ours be able to plug in to the Paystack processing software. This made it much easier for us because our consumers essentially deal with just a single interface, but at the same time, there's Paystack working in the background to process those payments. Because when it comes to payment processing, especially with B2C products, you want a payment partner who has a very quick turnaround time to help you deal with any challenges that pop up. And Paystack support convinced us right from the very day we integrated that Paystack was the best partner for us when it comes to payments. Even more importantly, Paystack has helped us cut down our delivery processing times by over 70%, and this is because with online payments, we spend less time trying to go back and forth with our patients and customers on certain purchases that need to be made. Working with Paystack is a breeze, simply put. The team is very much aware of what your company is doing and is working actively to help you meet your targets and meet your goals. With our experience with Paystack, I would definitely recommend as the payment partner for any business that is looking for a payment processor, be it for a B2C product or a B2B product. mPharma is taking big steps this year in the provision of online healthcare, and we are starting with mymuti.com. Our vision for mymuti.com is that healthcare, quality healthcare, would be accessible at the click of a button. So in the future, we would have access to healthcare professionals, access to robust healthcare technology, all at the click of a button.